The first thing we are going to do is change the measurements to millimeters. Remember to select the object and press the N key to modify its properties. Remember to change the scale to 0.001. We click on Separate Units and we change the units to millimeters and we are ready. In this way, we can now model with the exact measurements. You can check this with a 3D printer. For this test, we are going to change the size of the cube to 15 millimeters. When we import this model that we are going to export, it should appear with the same measurements. Then to export to STL, you must have ASCII selected and only selection. I am going to open the program of my 3D printer and then import the STL to confirm the measurements.